Well, good morning, guys. What's going on? I hope everybody had a happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, and you got everything that you wanted to. I got to go out today and get one of my Christmas presents. I got to get a new AC compressor. Of course, when the tensioner pulley went on the van and the two chunks came out of it, one of the chunks went into the AC compressor, of course. Yeah, I was driving in town the other day and went to put the air conditioning on. It was a little warm and nothing. So, yeah, got that looked at, diagnosed, checked everything. Need an AC compressor. And, yeah, luckily enough, you have to take off the extra generator and do all this other work to get to the AC compressor. So, yeah, fun day today. Going to Brenda, Arizona to get that. It's about a half-hour drive east of here. So yeah, I think I'm just going to stop at McDonald's and get some breakfast along the way. Making a coffee, of course, before I go. Got to have my coffee before I leave. And yeah, getting on the road. Yeehaw. Well, looks like we made it to the mechanic shop, I think. Except the road looks less certified repair shop and more, if you hear banjos, keep driving. I'm about 30 seconds away from either getting my van fixed or starring in the reboot of The Hills Have Eyes. One thing I know for sure, I'm either getting my AC fixed or I'm becoming a cautionary tale. Your destination is on the right. Well, a place like this would have sketched me out years ago, that's for sure. But I've already met the mechanics and they know what they're doing. They've already done a couple fixes. So yeah, I'm good with it. Sanford and Son. Doot doot doo doo. Doot doot doo doot 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 doo. Uh-oh. I don't see my chair, my carpet. Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. It was super windy last night. Holy cow. So yeah, obviously my chair got blown away. Well, at least the car's repaired. The heater is still to be determined. But yeah, everything else is fixed on the vehicle. Thank goodness. One less thing to stress about. And yeah, I can get back to my normal life of just doing nothing and making sure everything works. Anyhow, it's too windy out here to talk to you guys. So I'm gonna go make a coffee. Because yeah, that car repair, I didn't get back till 10 o'clock last night. It took those guys 12 hours to fix the van just because they had to take the second alternator off and do all this other work. And then they couldn't remember how things went back together, and holy cow, what a debacle that was. Oh yeah, they broke the fan belt and what else? Oh yeah, and one of the pulleys again. So they had to go to the store, which was a hour and a half return trip. Woohoo! It was a fun day yesterday. Really enjoyed myself. Not. Is that your baby elephant? Oh my goodness. Good girl. What you got, Uma? What you got? You gonna show everybody your baby elephant? So funny enough, my daughter's favorite stuffed animal was a baby elephant as a child growing up. So of course when I saw that at the pet store, I had to get it for Uma. Gotta have baby elephants for both my daughters. But anyway, yeah, obviously Christmas is over. Uma got her stuffed toy and a couple of treats and stuff, chicken jerky and some bones and stuff. Oops, I said the word. But yeah, we're just waiting for the RV tech to show up today. Obviously with Christmas and everything else, had to wait a few days in between the other repairs, obviously. So yeah, he's coming today to, I think I'm going to get him to cap the line. I have an extra propane line for a barbecue or something like that, but it's on a regulator, so it's kind of a useless little thing. And I think that's one of the places where it's leaking. So I'm going to get him to just cap that line off and take the furnace line, the furnace propane line, and get a brand new one made in town and hook that up. And if that doesn't solve the problem, well, it's in the Truma then, because we've gone all the way from the propane tank to the furnace. So yeah, we'll find that out soon enough. And yeah, just waiting for all my friends to show up here. The big New Year's party is here. So we're waiting for all them to show up, and this is our usual spot. Yeah. We were with Escapers, but a whole debacle happened with Harvest Host and Escapers and Escapees that they started canceling events on us, so they canceled the New Year's event. So a bunch of us just organized an event on our own. Well, I didn't, but other people did. So yeah, I guess it's a free event this year, and they called it Escapers, EX Escapers, since we're no longer part of the club, I guess. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, yeah, just waiting for the RV tech to show up to get this propane stuff showing up, because I could smell propane yesterday. So I went under there and you could hear some hissing going on. Thank goodness I didn't blow anything up. But yeah, that's all we're waiting for, is the RV tech to show up today. Cap off that line. Get the new line run into the furnace. Keep troubleshooting from there. I'm getting bored. I want to get traveling again. Once January hits, I really have no idea where I'm going yet. I was thinking about going to Texas, maybe Big Bend National Park or something like that, but I'd like to get this furnace fixed. I know Texas sometimes has very varying weather in the wintertime. You can get ice storms there in the wintertime, surprisingly. Never knew. But yeah, I definitely have to get this furnace fixed before I get on the road or leave nice warm Arizona and California and stuff. Maybe I'll go to the Salton Sea. I don't know. We shall see. Oh yeah, I also wanted to ask, where's everybody watching from? Are you guys in Arizona? Are you guys across the world? Be interesting to know where everybody's watching from. Let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, well I apologize for all the van life problem videos that I've had, 3 or 4 in a row now. Getting a little frustrating on my end, that's for sure. I gotta get things fixed, I gotta get on the road. I apologize for all these videos. I'd rather be traveling. I'm sure you guys would rather have me traveling too. But yeah, it is what it is. It's part of van life reality. You gotta fix things break, so it's not all unicorns and rainbows. But anyway guys, if you haven't already subscribed, I'd really appreciate it, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.